let's talk updates on the Pfaff Creative Icon 2. So with this machine having Wi-Fi access, and if you've already logged into your free MySonet account, or if you haven't done that or haven't set that up, I highly recommend that you visit the website to do that sooner than later. When you are logged in, when there is an update, and this is the cool thing with these machines these days, is just like our phones, our tablets, when there's an update, there's a little pop-up message that says, like, there's an update, would you like to do it tonight, or next time it's plugged in, and that little message keeps coming up until you do the update. So updates are important. If you have been ignoring that little message on a device or your computer, it's a good idea to take care of the updates, including the one for your machine. So if your machine does have that feature, what's going to happen is one morning when you turn your machine on, there's going to be a pop-up message that says, would you like to update? The first part of the message is going to say that it'll be downloading that information from the internet. Now, you will be able to keep sewing at that time. So if you want to go ahead and say yes, go ahead and do just that. You will also have a do it next time, like not right now option, so you can do that. And it'll pop up the next time you turn the machine on. Once that new update has downloaded, it will ask for you to restart your machine. So you'll have control of when it actually takes over your machine to do the update. The key to the update is that you must leave the machine on. So if you are planning on going somewhere, taking a class, taking your machine with you, don't start the update. You can always start it the next time you turn it on, so once it's been downloaded. So do keep that in mind. You also are going to need a good internet connection. So if it's kind of not the greatest, or it's during the time when everybody else is watching movies online and streaming movies, it might take longer than you think. So do it during the time when people, like the kiddos, are in school, and maybe not Saturday night at 9 p.m. All right, do the updates when they come in. Everything gets, all the new stuff comes, and there's always some little bits that they're making better, so definitely do that. Let's say your internet connection is not the greatest, or you don't have time to do it, or you have no internet at all. You can go to Pfaff's website, go to the icon area of the website where the support is, and you can download the update on a USB stick. On that page, it will tell you what to do when you put that stick into the side of the machine. There might be a button you hold as you turn the machine on. Just don't quote me on it right now, but that is usually the case, and then it will just take over your machine. So on occasion, when we have had lots of machines to update, we will update them via the USB stick, and it'll still take 20 minutes or so, depending on how big the update is. But the cool thing is that because of these features, Pfaff has allowed us to update all these machines worldwide at once. And with that, it really helps keep these machines running at the newest level at every time. Here's another thing you can do. If you're unsure if you've had an update, or you can also have your service person do that when you have it in for service, but you can go to the gears in the top right corner, go to settings, and then slide all the way to the end to machine information, and you can see which current firmware you are using. So if you're unsure, like this one is fairly close to when today's date, and that way I can see, oh yeah, I've got the current update. But just kind of keep an eye on it. There are always new updates that are going to come out, and just keep making this machine better. So the key is the final note. Don't turn the machine off during an update. That's going to be a little iffy. If that happens, there is a way to get you back on track. I believe you have to do the USB version of it, and it's not like you're totally lost, but it'll give you a little headache trying to figure it out. So it's not hard, but it's just easier if everything can stay on when you're doing the updates. All right, hope that helps. Check out all of our videos. We've got links below where you can start binge watching all of our free video tutorials on the Pfaff Creative Icon 2, and also all the links to our online courses, including the free videos that you can watch in those courses to see if those courses are right for you. I hope to see you in one of our classes soon.